Hi, welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet mug cozy. I used an F-hook and medium worsted yarn. This is perfect for a regular mug size. And if you're a beginner, there is a beginner playlist down below, as well as if you need to place your video in slow motion if it's too fast. And the pattern is listed down below as well. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and do a chain of 48. So just yarn over and pull through until you have your chain count. In the fourth chain from the hook, you're going to double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So that's 1, and then that's considered a space, so you're going to do 1 and then 2 more double crochet. And then you're going to skip a stitch and then do a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So you have the 1 and then the 3, skip 3, and then skip, and then work 1 double crochet in the next 3 again, and then repeat that until you get to the end. So you're at the end here, and you're going to skip and then work your last double crochet. So it's going to look like this. Okay, I'm going to color change. I'm going to turn, slip stitch into the space. I'm going to add a new color, pulling it through, and then chain 3. Counts as a double crochet. Then I'm going to work in this space 2 double crochet. So you have the 3. Now go to the next space after you skip 3 double crochet and then work 3 double crochet. Go to the space here and work your 3 double crochet. Repeat that until you get to the end. Now you're going to end with 3 double crochet in this space in between the 3 and the 1 here. So right on top of the next stitch, you're just going to do your color change and chain 3. and then turn. The ends you will weave at the end. So now that you have your chain 3, you're going to go in between the space of the 3 double crochet and work 3 double crochet. Okay, just repeat and work 3 double crochet in between the double crochet. And work that until you get to the end. Now you're going to end with a double crochet right into that chain 3. It's going to look like this. Now you're going to pull through with your new color, chain 3, turn, and then you're going to work the 2 double crochet to make it 3 double crochet with that chain 3, and then 3 double crochet in the next space. And then just repeat till you get to the end. You're going to end with 3 double crochet, and then you're just going to repeat so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 2 more times for a total of 6. So this is just a repeat. You're going to pull through and just do the opposite, which is the chain 3, and then turn, and then work your 3 double crochet in this space here. Three double crochet until you get to the end. Going to end with a double crochet right into that last one, into that last space there. It's going to look like this, and this is the last row of color. So I'm going to chain 3, and then turn, and then work 2 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet, and just repeat that until you get to the end. I'm going to take your yarn needle and the yarn and weave in all of these loose ends. Just keep weaving it in a couple of times to secure them. You have all of your rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows here. And I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across. Until I get to the end. At the end here, you're going to do your chain count for the handle. I'm going to do a chain of 18. Once you have your chain count, you're going to go into the stitch over here and you're going to slip stitch and fasten off Once you have this little handle here on the side, you're going to make one over here with a slip stitch on top of that stitch here. It doesn't matter what color you want to make it. I'm just going to stick with purple and do my chain count. And then I'm going to slip stitch on this side. I really hope you enjoyed this crochet tutorial for this crochet mug cozy. The pattern is down below. If you do want to make it longer or wider, I suggest that you add more rows and you add more chain counts to this. Okay, so if you haven't already, please subscribe and thank you for watching.